The safety of our guests and employees is one of our biggest priorities. In order to keep our aircraft safe and clean, we are doing additional spraying of the aircraft. We do a hard surface wipe down, and then after the process is over, we go ahead and do a spraying of disinfectant, which then covers all areas that we might have missed. We're using an RTU, it's a ZEP product. It kills the coronavirus. It's an electric charged mist that attaches to any hard surface that it comes across. Whatever it touches, it adheres to it, and then it leaves a coating on the hard surface that becomes a disinfectant or kills anything that's germ-related. Any transpacific flight that arrives in Honolulu will get disinfected before leaving Honolulu. Our employees had the biggest concern. Is it safe for them to use, right? And we would never test a product that we felt would put them in that situation of not being safe. So every avenue of concern was brought up and thought out, and we're very convinced that the product is safe for everyone. Our family members fly that aircraft. We want to make sure it's safe for everyone. Being that type of ohana, it's very important. We got to ensure that that plane is safe so our people are home safely.